All right, we're just going to have a short video here on practicing identifying the categories or the classification of chemical reactions. So there are 6 categories, and if you want to check out my previous video on that, you can. These are the 6 categories. Let's go to them real quick. All right, number 1, combustion. Synthesis. Number 2, number 3, decomposition. Number 4, single displacement. Number 5, double displacement. 6, acid-base. And if you want to learn more about those, you can check my other video, Classifying Chemical Reactions, Physical Science 20. Now, we're just going to go over a few questions here. So, if you look at this, here we have NaOH and KNO3, sodium hydroxide, potassium nitrate. We notice that the sodium is actually bonded with the nitrate over here on the other side. See that? And the potassium has bonded with the OH over here. And so there are 2 instances of displacement, so that is a double replacement or double displacement. So double displacement. You may call it replacement, that's fine. It's a double. This one here, we have a hydrocarbon, and it's combined with oxygen. The products, this is important, carbon dioxide, water. This is combustion. Alright, now this one here, we have a single element, and it's reacting with sodium bromide. Now we look over on the other side. This is, of course, this is the key, right? So what happens over here? Well, the iron is no longer alone. It has displaced the sodium. It's kicked the sodium out, and it is now bonded with Br over here. The sodium is all by itself. There is a single instance of replacement, so that is single replacement, or single displacement. Okay. Number 4, calcium is bonded with sulfate over here. Calcium is bonded with hydroxide over here. Here's the hydroxide. So there has been a displacement of magnesium. Magnesium has bonded with the sulfate back over here. So this is, again, double displacement. Number 5, here we have an OH. In the compound here, this looks like it might be a base. And of course, HBr is a binary acid, really strong acid. And so we have water forming over here. See that? So the H and the OH combine. And we also have the leftovers here, ammonium and bromine combining. So this is a water and salt being produced. And this is a clear-cut base, and this is a clear-cut acid. So that's the acid base. This one here, we have 2 sort of simple compounds combining to form one more complicated one. So that is your synthesis. And here we have the opposite of synthesis happening. We have a more complicated compound breaking down into 2 relatively, less complicated. Now, you don't have to judge the complication. If you have one compound breaking up into 2 or more, that's all you need. That's decomposition. Okay, so there's a little videos, just some practice identifying the different types of chemical reactions.